We're taking off a stock 2017 Toyota 86 wing. With these bolts, they do drop down when you take them off. All you do is just slam the trunk and the bolt comes right out. There we go. We got the needle nose pliers going up in there. Look at that. That's how you do it. That is how you do it. So you take those bolts off and then you have what, a couple up in there? Yeah, all bolts are off and this thing is not coming off. I guess it's like glued on or something.
Set this up, push this up. You're not gonna need it. I can't see it.
You gotta hammer it or something. Yeah, Scott's a savage, so he's bringing out his hammer to smack this wing right out. We gotta hold it, make sure it doesn't fly off of his windshield and crack the windshield.
Yeah, there's like that 3M tape.
Yeah, so we're trying to figure out how to take this wing off, which we'll get off soon. I went ahead and opened up my wing, because I do have a wing for my car. I'm not going to install it yet until I get more mods in my car. Yeah, this is the carbon fiber piece. That's the piece that goes like up here. Like, I don't know how big it's going to be. It's going to be pretty big though. That piece I screw it and brought up the hair dryer to heat up all the tape, whatever, holding it in glue. Yeah, I went ahead and unwrapped the wing I got. And man, it's so massive. It's all real carbon fiber. It is super lightweight, and it's gonna sit a decent size up on my car. I'm not gonna tell you guys which wing it is yet, but there's a bunch of other pieces over here that come with it. So yeah, there she blows. Oh, it's all like glue.
Hold on, stop.
Yeah.
Don't turn it. Hold on.
Oh, there we go. And the stock wing is off. Look at all this crap that's on there. That's insane, like how dirty it is too, like underneath there. Yeah, it took a while to get all this gunk off. We had to use WD-40 and some adhesive remover. But finally, we're gonna get into the actual wing. Oh yeah. That is sexy looking, dude.
Oh, it even covers up that scratch.
Oh yeah, because we kind of scratched a little bit right there, but it's all covered up. No one's gonna know. Well, now everybody knows. But we mocked it up on the car, and now we're just taping it all up, and we're gonna put it on, and hopefully it works. And hopefully it doesn't fly off on the highway. That would kind of suck. But he's taping it pretty good. I just hold it probably for like a minute. Okay, well that was a complete fail. The tape definitely needs to be on the outside. It was not sticking at all. And I'll go ahead and switch it up and hopefully it works. We're doing take 2 of this. Dude, it's looking mint. The wing makes the back end come together so well. The exhaust and the taillights and everything. Damn. Man, that wing looks so nice. I would recommend anyone to buy that if they see it online for sale, because they're almost sold out. There's only like 4 left while I'm making this video. But man, I guess hopefully tomorrow I'll join the wing gang to get my wing on.